Hello guys, see what I have here. I just got myself this kitchenware set. Okay, I've been looking forward to buying this for a long time now, but my problem was with the colors I usually come across. Okay, I want an ash one, but usually I get pink, blue and those colors. But today guys, I just got my perfect color for my kitchen. Okay, so this is what we have in here. Yes, oh, there's a lot to show you. I mean, look, it is not beautiful. This is just a color I've been looking for a very long time now, guys. I'm just so happy that I've been able to buy this finally, and that's my color. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do away with the previous one that I have. So this is the knife. Yeah, it's a set of knife. Yeah, and then there are holders, and we have a chopping board as well. I already have two, so this is just a plus for me. Okay, yeah, so let's open this up and see the type of knife that we have in here. Okay, this is so hard. Alright, so it comes with the scissors as well. So these are the knife sets. So they are very sharp. So guys, my kitchen set, my new kitchen set. Okay, alright, so I'll arrange them for you to see. So guys, let's do away with this. Okay, I'm not throwing them away, but I'm keeping them in a different place. Okay, so let's arrange a new set. So guys, let's fix our new kitchen set. So the chopping board will go to the back this way. Yes, go in with our scissors. Yes. And then we go in with those ones. Guys, we have to prepare so many dishes with us, with this different type of ladles. Okay, so guys, this is our new kitchenware set. Behold, our new kitchenware set. So let me know in the comment section what you think about my new kitchen set. Okay, bye.